Is Rolex a good investment? Over the previous 10 years, Rolex watches have beaten gold, real estate, and stocks, and sellers are certain that their value will continue to rise. The highest price for a pre-owned Rolex Daytona watch was $48,500 in March. Since then, it has gotten a little bit closer to earth and is currently worth roughly $30,000 on the secondary market, according to watch charts. In the first few months of 2022, the secondary market prices for Rolex watches surged before beginning to decline a little toward the end of the year. However, over the past 10 years, the Rolex's investment value has outpaced that of other assets like gold and the stock market. Approximately 25% of website searches on Chrono24, a well-known luxury watch marketplace, are for Rolex-related products. This website is backed by investors like French billionaire Bernard Arnault, who just dethroned Elon Musk as the richest man in the world. 80% of the Rolex watches sold on the marketplace are pre-owned, accounting for about 14% of total sales. Tim Strake, the founder of Chrono24, stated that prices were still higher than January this year for the majority of watches, but they were not as extreme as they were in March and April. Data from Chrono24 show that the glorious three brands of Rolex, Patek Philippe, and Audemars Piguet have been most significantly impacted by the sharp price increase. But for other watch companies, growth has only been very solid, sluggish, but steady over time, according to Strake. Rolex's potential as a long-term investment. Rolexes have been a fantastic investment over the years, but not like the last 5, said Paul Altieri, CEO of the online watch marketplace Bob's Watches, to Insider back in February. Since the beginning of this decade, Bob's has purchased and sold thousands of watches using a consistent pricing method, giving the business unique insights into the true market value of each Rolex model. The recent rapid increase in Rolex prices can be attributed, in part, to supply. There is a strong secondary market for pre-owned watches despite the fact that Rolex apparently produces roughly 800,000 watches annually due to the brand's immense appeal. In fact, the average Rolex sales figures show a rise starting in 2017 and a rise even more pronounced in 2020. The average cost of a Rolex is more than $13,000 as of February 2022, which is more than 3 times the $5,000 average from 2011. It's worth double or triple what you paid before you leave the store, according to Altieri. If you can even locate an authorized dealer who will sell it to you. People who have been waiting for a year or more for their name to appear on the buyer's list are not going to flip it, Altieri said. Due to the restricted supply, Rolex probably started its own certified pre-owned program in December. The brand certified, guaranteed pre-owned timepieces are now available to buy thanks to the new program. Its goal is to add value to the already existing supply of used Rolex watches. Because when these watches are sold, the official retailers must vouch for their authenticity, Rolex stated in the press statement launching the program. According to a McKinsey analysis, the overall market value for pre-owned luxury watches is currently estimated to be $20 billion, and by 2025, it is predicted to surpass $29 billion. According to Strake, prices and demand for the Glory 3 will continue to rise in the upcoming year due to inflation. According to him, many customers purchase watches for their beauty, status, and flawless craftsmanship as well as for their reliability in holding their worth through time. We must refer to it as the genuine asset class rather than just a piece of jewelry or a luxury category.